Welcome to the Madison College Writing Center, where our friendly and professional tutors offer personalized writing assistance on campus, through virtual video chats, and by email.
The good news is, making an appointment with the Writing Center is easy to do through our online scheduling system, WC Online.
In this video, we'll be showing you how to make, modify, and cancel appointments. First, you need to visit our website. Simply go to the Madison College student homepage and search for Writing Center.
Once you are on our webpage, click the Make Cancel Appointments button. This will take you to WC Online, which is our appointment scheduling system.
Enter your Madison College username and password and choose which of our campus schedules you'd like to view. All campuses offer in-person and virtual appointments in real time, and you can choose which kind of appointment you prefer.
If you're looking to receive asynchronous written feedback on a draft through email, select the Email Coaching schedule.
The first time you log in, you will be prompted to register. Then you'll be taken to the schedule you've selected. If you'd like to view appointments available on a different schedule, you can use the drop-down menu to choose a different location. From any of our campus schedules, scroll down to the day you would like to make an appointment, then look at the list of available tutors. Under each tutor's name, you will see the types of appointments they are available for, either in-person, virtual, or both.
Our email coaching schedule looks a little different. You'll choose an available appointment with any tutor and upload your draft. You'll then receive a response from the tutor via email.
The white boxes represent available appointments. Click on any available time block to begin your reservation. A screen will pop up and you will be asked to complete a short form. If the tutor you've selected offers multiple appointment types, you will need to choose whether you want to meet in person or virtually. Remember that if you book an in-person appointment, you will need to come to campus to meet with your tutor. If you book a virtual appointment, you will return to this scheduling page at the time of your appointment and join your tutor by video chat.
If you want your course instructor to know you worked with us, there's a place on the form to enter your instructor's email address.
Finally, you'll need to answer a few brief questions that tell your tutor about the assignment and what you would like to focus on during your session.
And if you're booking an appointment for email coaching, you'll need to include the assignment instructions and upload a draft for your tutor to comment on.
When you have completely filled out the new appointment form, click Create Appointment. You will know your appointment has been scheduled successfully because the time block will turn gold.
If there's not an appointment at a time that works for you, you can add your name to the wait list and you will receive a notification through text or email if something becomes available.
If you need to make changes to your appointment, you can return to this page and modify or cancel the appointment simply by clicking on your scheduled slot. For example, if you want to change your in-person appointment to a virtual appointment, you would need to select your appointment block, choose Edit Appointment, then change your appointment type. Or if you need to cancel, select your appointment block and click the Cancel Appointment button.
And if you've scheduled an appointment for email coaching, you can return to your appointment block and replace your uploaded draft up until the day of your appointment.
If you selected a virtual appointment, simply return to the schedule a few minutes before your appointment start time, click on your appointment in gold, and select Start or Join Virtual Consultation. This will take you to a virtual meeting room where your tutor will join you.
Don't forget to allow WC Online access to your camera and microphone so you can see and hear your tutor.
Congratulations! You now know how to make and cancel appointments for the Writing Center. For further information on what you can expect at your upcoming appointment and other services the Writing Center provides, check out our website and our social media.
We look forward to working with you soon.